Nice.
You
I
guys know
love
how
that.
Pizza
to...
in German.
Well, it's pizza.
Oh,
That is
okay.
not easily.
Do you guys know how to say itadakimasu in German? I don't even know how to... Is there a word for itadakimasu in English?
Nope. Well, I mean, you could say, let's dig in.
Yeah.
Oh,
In German, it's Mahlzeit.
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 Oh my god, I gotta teach you guys German at some point because that's so adorable when you guys speak German. Oh my god.
I'll
Yes,
use
German
if
class.
you teach me. I'll do it. That sounds kind of fun, like a challenge.
Gura, gura, gura.
Mhm.
Can you say verdammte Scheiße?
Hey man, I know what that last word was.
Hey, don't make her say something embarrassing to Satori. That's rude.
Wait, what does that mean? I know what the last word is, but
It means damn shit.
Ah!